Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you natural cough drop lollipop recipe which I love to make during winters. For this you need 1 tablespoon of ginger juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half cup of sugar, and last but not the least 1 cup of Ayursetu Eucalyptus Honey. I prefer eucalyptus honey because it has antibacterial and anti-flu properties which is helpful to cure viral infections. And guys, Ayursetu is very promising brand for me and my kids also. Now you need 1 piece of parchment paper also. Okay, let's start the process. Put half cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water into the pan and boil it until it caramelizes. Guys, look into it. It has a very nice golden brown color and see the texture. Now add 1 cup of Ayursetu honey and stir it until the mixture smoothens. Now, here is the time to add cinnamon, black pepper, ginger juice, and lemon juice. Again, stir it for 2 to 3 minutes and boil it until the honey caramelizes. And after caramelizing, just see the texture and see the color that I really want. Now, if you want to check it, then add 2 to 3 drops into the water, and if it solidifies, then your mixture is good to go. Now you need toothpicks or ice cream sticks, whatever you like. Lay down the parchment paper. Then with the help of the spoon, put the mixture on the parchment paper, whatever shape you like, guys. And put toothpicks in it. And keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes, and after this you will see the smooth lollipops come out from the parchment paper. Oh wow, nice. You see guys, Ayursetu Eucalyptus Honey. Ayursetu offers us a wide range of honeys You can check it out on Amazon and Flipkart. Thank you.